Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce Aam Panna recipe. So this is like one of the tastiest for summer and refreshing as well. For that we are going to take raw mango. I'm taking two of the raw mangoes and then I'm going to peel them off with the help of a knife. Well, you can also peel them off with the help of a peeler, and once it's peeled then we will move towards the next step. As you can see, I'm peeling them off. You can peel it the same way. You can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. That would be much recommended. And once both of the mangoes are peeled, raw mangoes are peeled, we are going to cut them. We're going to cut them into smaller slices and we're going to separate the seed out of it. We're not taking a fresh mango, but we're taking a raw mango because it's going to give a better taste in our drink. This drink is really refreshing for summer and has a good flavor, and once it's chilled it tastes really good. And once the mango is cut into smaller pieces, we will move towards the next step. While I am cutting these mangoes, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So as you can see that I am cutting these mangoes into very smaller slices, like into a cube form, or maybe you can say a chopped one. So once it's done, we will be taking these mangoes and placing them into a pan. Add 1 cup of sugar in it. You can also add brown sugar, and with that I am going to add water in it, about 2 cups. With that I am going to add salt, about half teaspoon, and salt and sugar are really dependent on you, the amount of salt and sugar you want to add. On low flame for 10 to 15 minutes we are going to cook it. With the help of a spoon, I am going to stir it, and after that we are going to cover it with the help of a lid. Once the water starts boiling and there left a less amount of water, we are going to take the lid off and we will be mixing it with the help of a spoon. And after that we are going to add lime juice in it. You can add lime juice according to your taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoons and I'm going to again mix it. Well, lime gives a really good flavor in anything, especially if it's related to drinks and summer drinks. It's really going to help. And as you can see, it will change into sauce like material. We will be adding it into the grinder and we will grind it, and with that I'm going to add mint leaves, about half bunch, and we're going to add it in it. It will give it a better aroma and better flavor as well. So mint leaves smell so good, that's why it is better for giving it a better taste and a better smell. We will grind all these ingredients quite well, and once it's grinding then we will be moving towards the next step. Well, as you can see, it's grinded quite well. Now we are going to take them off, or maybe you can say stain them off into a separate bowl and into an empty bowl. With the help of a stainer, I'm going to stain it so that rest of the chunks are separated from the juice or the mixture. After pouring all this material in the stainer, we are going to use a spoon to separate the thick material, the chunks, and the rest of the mixture. And once it's separated, our mixture is ready, we are going to place it into the glass. But before placing it, we will be adding some of the ice, and I'm placing straws in it. It's really up to you if you don't want it. And after that we will be adding this mixture and air and adding some chilled water and mix it quite well with the help of a straw or a spoon. And once it's mixed well, our drink is ready. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family so they can get access to my videos as well. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video.